Express 2x squared plus 12x minus 7 in the form a x plus b squared plus c, where the values of the constants a, b and c are to be found. Okay, well, looking at x squared plus 2x squared, plus 12x minus 7. First thing we want to do is I want to have single x squared so I can complete the square, because that's how we're going to get into this form ax plus b squared. So I'm going to have to take out a common factor of 2. I prefer just to factorise the x terms and leave the constant alone, so I get 2x squared plus 6x in brackets, and then I leave the minus 7 alone. Now I can complete the square on the terms inside the brackets. So 2x, halve the x coefficient, so I get x plus 3 squared. I then want to subtract that constant squared, so minus 3 squared, and this is all within that bracket that is being multiplied by 2 at the moment, minus 7. Notice how I'm leaving that 7 alone so I don't do anything with it. Next thing to do is expand this bracket so we get 2 times that x plus 3 squared, and then 2 times the minus 3 squared. So I end up with 2x plus 3 squared. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18 minus 7. And then all I have to do, very last part of these questions, is then just to tidy up the constant. So 2x plus 3 squared remains the same. Minus 18 minus 7 is minus 25. That is part A done. Could be good at this point to state, if you want to, a equals 2, b equals 3, c equals minus 25. Makes it easy for the examiner to see, and actually when the examiner comes to mark, all they're going to do is look for this a and give you the b standalone mark, look for that b and give you a b standalone mark, and look for this c and give you the b standalone mark. Okay. Now part B says use the answer to part A to find the least value of this expression. Well, we know that this is going to be least value because it's a positive quadratic. And so if we have 6x squared plus 36x minus 17, the thing to notice is that the 6x squared and the 36x that I'm missing there, that is actually 3 times the amount of x squared and x's that I have in my original expression here. So 3 times, so if I had 3 times 2x, I get 6x squared. If I had 3 times 12x, I get 36x. If I had 3 times minus 7, I'd have minus 21 though. So we're going to rewrite this slightly. I'm going to rewrite this as 6x squared plus 36x minus 21. Now I can't just change the value of this expression. I've made this minus 17 4 less. So if I write this then and add up 4 at the end, minus 21 plus 4 gives us this minus 17. The reason I do that is because now I can write this expression as 3 lots of 2x squared plus 12x minus 7. And have that plus 4 on the end outside. And so what I also know then in that case is this is the same as having 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 25 plus 4. Now it says find the least value for this expression. Well, the least value for my original expression was minus 25. So here I've got the least value is going to be 3 lots of minus 25, because this is going to be the least value of this expression inside this bracket, plus that 4. And so we get an answer of minus 75 plus 4, which is minus 71. Okay, how do we get the marks in this question? Well, we get the method mark if we show that the new expression can be expressed in this form 3 times our answer to part A plus 4. And then, so we then get an accuracy mark for getting the least value based on our solution from part A. Hope that made sense and that you understood it.